Perodua Axia installed for Cogoo Android Plus series 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing, big screen casing. Okay, special casing, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play. So 9-inch big screen. Okay, connect with Soundstream 2-inch full range speaker. Okay, for Android player, you have to go to setting. Okay, turn on Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Okay, pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling, and click for music icon for Bluetooth music. Okay, it's got a 2 USB slot, so we put in a drawer. Okay, log in a Gmail, download app from Play Store. You can download Waze, YouTube, Google Maps. You want for online maps, Waze and Google Maps. Steering wheel control setting. Okay, setting, Bluetooth pairing. Okay, sound adjust, equalizer. So it's 10-band equalizer. Backup and reset for factory reset. About car, Android version 7.1, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. So nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen. Press anyway to turn it on. Android player, clear apps, clear one by one or clear all. Okay, for radio. So you can choose your frequency. So example. Then you can save it. Okay, volume. Okay, so you can long press to change background for wallpaper. Got a wallpaper, live wallpaper or gallery. On picture, you have to choose the size 1024 x 600 JPEG file. Okay, so this is Cogoo 9-inch Android Plus series CG-00D, CG-009AD2, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage, with OEM casing for Perodua Axia, OEM socket plug and play, with 2-inch speaker, full range speaker, Soundstream 2-inch, installed by 1 piece. Thank you.